To show an edge clock on your always on display in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap always on display. Tap clock style. In the clock style section, tap the clock thumbnail with three dot icon to see more style. And then select the clock thumbnail with edge clock in it. If needed, you can change the clock position to be in the left edge or in the right edge by tapping the position button. And then tap done button to save the change. Now your phone will display an edge clock on your always on display. However, you have to remember that widget and notification will not be shown when you set edge clock on your always on display. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.